Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation related to social media API. So this is the assignment number 2 in the subject social data mining techniques, and the browser name is Rick Lambro, and I will paste the YouTube link once I upload this video to the YouTube. And in this assignment we are scraping the data and storing it in the database, and we are creating a web application to post, tweet in Twitter, and to put a post in Reddit too. My name is Mons Michael, and I completed my master's in statistics and bachelor's in mathematics. Currently I am doing my course called Big Data Analytics at Georgian College Bari, and my student ID is 200465690. So in these assignments we are checking two social media platforms. First one is Reddit and the other one is Twitter. And these are the tools used in this assignment. For programming language purpose, we are used Python, and in Python we use two API libraries, TreePy for connecting between Python and Twitter, and Pyro for the connection between Reddit and Python. And for creating the web application, I used Flask, and for storing the data in the database, I used MongoDB. And for the front-end work, I use HTML, CSS, JS, and Visual Studio is used as an IDE in this project. So this is my front-end dashboard. The dashboard name is Social Data Mining Techniques, and this is for posting a post in Reddit, and this is for posting a tweet in Twitter. So this is the data model. For the Twitter, we have ID, tweet author, tweet text, and date and time. The ID means the unique ID. Tweet author means the author name. Tweet text is the tweet content. Date and time is the posted date and time of the tweet. And for the Reddit, the first one is post ID, which is the unique ID. Post author means the author name. Post title is the title of the post. Post text is the content of the post, and date and time means the posted date and time. So first we are scraping the data from Twitter. The data from Twitter is scraped using the Python library TP, and this is the code used for scraping the data, and I will explain this code once in the demonstration area. And similarly, we are scraping the data from Reddit and storing the data in MongoDB, and this is the code used for scraping the data and storing it in MongoDB from Reddit. Next one, the storing of the data in MongoDB. So this is my database name. The database name is data mining, and this is the collection name Twitter data, and here I am storing all my tweets in Twitter. Similarly, this is the MongoDB database and the collection named Reddit data, and in this area I am storing all my posts in Reddit. And this is the web application look for posting a data in Twitter, and I have to write the tweet here and just click on it. It will automatically paste it on Twitter. Similarly, for posting a post in Reddit, I have to give the title here, then my thoughts here, then once I click on post, it automatically posted it on the Reddit platform. So now we are going to a demo section. So this is my Visual Studio code. I have 4 Python scripts called main, Reddit, Twitter, and credential, and 3 HTML scripts for the web application. So first I am going to the credentials. These are the credentials which I used, and the bearer token, access token secret, API key, and API secret key. All these 5 for Twitter, and client ID, client secret ID, user agent, username, password. All these 5 for Reddit. And we got this API security keys and all from Twitter and Reddit once we submit a form, and we need developer access for doing this assignment. Next, reddit.py. So in this script, this is a Python script, and we are using this script to scraping the data from Reddit and storing the data in MongoDB. So first we import Pero, that is the library used, which is the library used to connect between Reddit and Python. We import datetime for the time. Credentials means all the API key and security keys used in this project, and PyMongo for the connection between Python and MongoDB. So first import Pero, then datetime, then credential file, then PyMongo, and import Mongo client. Then this is the authentication. So in the authentication part, by using Pero, and I have to give all my credentials: client ID, secret ID, user agent. All this information are stored in the file called credentials. So I use credential.client ID, credential.client secret ID, and so on. So here I'm using a for loop to append all the information related to my Reddit post. So the informations are post ID, post author, post title, post text, and date time. So here, by using this for loop, I am appending all the information together, and this is my MongoDB details, and this is my database name, and this is my collection name. I will show you my MongoDB. So this is my MongoDB. The cluster name is assignment 2. So go to collections. This is my database. This is for Reddit data. I already have 10 elements in this database with post ID, post author, post title, post text, and date and time. So I am going to delete this one. Drop Reddit data. So I am dropping this one. So there is no information related to Reddit data. So once we go back to this one, for this one we need Mongo client. This link, we got this link from MongoDB. For getting that link, go to database, connect to your application. Then this is the link. Here we have to give our MongoDB password, and here we have to change my first database with the database name. So for my case it's data mining, and just copy paste this one and paste it in our code. So client, Mongo client, and pasting the link which I got it from the MongoDB, and the DB name is data mining, and Reddit collection name is Reddit data. Similarly for Twitter, I import TPy as TAW. TPy is used to create a connection between Twitter and Python, and I import credentials, which contains all my keys, and PyMongo for connecting the MongoDB. And for authorization I use OAuth. I am providing all my secret keys and access token which I got from Twitter. Similarly, I am using the for loop similar to that of Reddit, and I am appending all this information together and storing it in the database. So for loop info in tweets, that is equal to ID, tweet author, tweet text, date time, and append the all data to tweets data. And this is my MongoDB details. I am also deleting the information related to Twitter data too. So Twitter data drop. So currently we don't have any. We have nothing in this database. Now I am going to run this Twitter APY and Reddit PY. Run completely. Then it's for Reddit. It is also executed successfully. So I am going back to my MongoDB and check whether the data is stored or not. So here we can see that again the data mining database, then the Reddit data, which has 10 elements. For Twitter data, there is 2 tweets, and all the information is stored in database. So currently we are done with the scraping the data and store it in the database, MongoDB database. So next part, this is our main file, main script. So I am importing Flask. Flask is used for creating the web application. Then PyMongo for connecting to the Mongo client, credentials, all the credentials which I used in this one, GPy for connection between Twitter and Python, daytime, Piro for connection between Reddit and Python. So here I pasted my MongoDB connection details, database and data mining. This is for Reddit authentication. Pasted all the credentials related to Reddit. Then Twitter authentication. Then here app root. In this section, this is the default route for the main page, main HTML page. This is the default route for Reddit HTML, and this is the default route for Twitter HTML. And this one, in this section, this is mainly for posting a data in Reddit, and all the information related to the data is pasted here. So this is definition DEF Reddit update. This is for updating a post, and we used method equal to post. So once we click this one and executed this one, it automatically posts a post in Reddit. Next, this is the same for Twitter. Here, by using this one, we are posting a tweet in Twitter. Now we are going to our main HTML page. So this is the HTML page which contain all the characteristics or all the styles factors of our front end web application. And this is for Reddit web application page, and this is for Twitter web application page. If you want to see the overall view, then click open default browser, and we can see the overall view of our web application. Similarly, we can open Reddit, open default of browser, then this is for Reddit, and for Twitter it is like this one. Okay, then now we are going to run our main Python script. So this is the main Python script, and first I am going to stop everything which is running in the background. So Control C, then hit run. Then we got HTTP link here, so we have to click on that one. So it's directed to our web application. So first I have to post a post in Reddit. So click in post, then title, trial post thoughts, trial post of assignment. Then sorry, SIGNMENT post. Then I'm going to Reddit and refreshing the Reddit platform and check whether it is updated or not. So here it is, trial post of assignment. So it's updated successfully. So our Reddit part was done successfully. Now we are going back to our Twitter part. So click on tweet. What's happening? I am writing it as trial tweet and hit on tweet. Then going back to my Twitter account, see trial tweet, it is updated successfully. So both Reddit and Twitter posts are updated successfully. So this is all about this assignment. So we are scraping the data from Twitter and Reddit and saved it in a database and created a web application to post a tweet and a post in Reddit and Twitter respectively. Thank you.